Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove 8-digit backup codes in Gmail. These backup codes serve as a safety net when you can't access your phone for two-step verification, but if you suspect they've been compromised or simply want to refresh them, removing the old ones is a smart security move. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon, click on it, and a pop-up window will appear. From the options presented, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to the central hub where you can control all aspects of your Google security and settings. Once you're in your account management area, focus on the left sidebar menu and click on the Security tab. This is where Google houses all the important security features that protect your account. Scroll down until you reach the Signing In to Google section. Here you'll find various authentication methods, but we're specifically interested in two-step verification. Click on it, and Google may ask you to enter your password again as an extra security measure to ensure it's really you making these changes. After entering your password, you'll be taken to the two-step verification settings page. Scroll down until you locate the backup codes section. These are the 8-digit codes we're looking to remove. Click on Show Codes to view your current backup codes. This displays all the active backup codes associated with your account. Now, to remove these codes, simply click Delete or Remove, depending on how the option appears on your screen. This action will revoke all your existing 8-digit backup codes, rendering them useless for anyone who might have had access to them. If you want to create fresh backup codes for future use, click Get New Codes. It's highly recommended to save these new codes in a secure location, perhaps in a password manager or written down in a safe place. Finally, confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the removal or regeneration of your backup codes. Once you've completed these steps, you can close the account settings page. Your old backup codes are now deleted, and your account security has been refreshed. Thanks for watching.